Hello, in this video I want to show you how you can install FullText service in SQL Server. Do you know what is the benefit of FullText search service? Okay, suppose you have a bunch of records, many records, and in each record you have a field of the type ntext. Ntext field, as you know, is a field that you can put a long text in it. For example, you can put the content of a book in a field of a record. And suppose in some situations you want to select all the occurrence of a word in all the records, or all the occurrence of a word and its synonyms in all the records. Here, FullText search service can be used to do that for us. This type of search cannot be used by ordinary select statement. Here, to do that, we need to turn on FullText search service on the SQL Server and use that. To install FullText search in SQL Server, first I should say you that I write a query here to see that if FullText search service is installed in my SQL Server or not. Okay, I select full, you can see here, FullText service property here, and I give that the argument is FullText installed. Now I select this. It shows me 0, means that FullText service is not installed for me. To install that, I click Setup for installing SQL Server. In the here, this is the files that I used them to install SQL Server 2019. Now I want to add FullText search in my SQL Server instance that I was installed before. Now in the installation tab, I click here, new SQL Server standalone installation, or add features to an existing installation. I don't want to get updates due to the fact that it takes some time. Click next. I don't want updates, and click next. Takes a little time. Be patient. Now I'll click that I want to add features to an existing instance of my SQL Server. This is my previous instance of SQL Server into SQL Server 2019 Enterprise Edition. Now next. I want this FullText search. You can see FullText and semantic extraction for search. A description of the usage of this FullText service can be found here. And if I click this, you can see description of the services here. And it shows me it needs this amount of memory, and I have this amount of memory available in my system. Okay, it can be installed. If you want, you can click select all and select all of the features, but I don't want all of them, and I want to only show you a quick tutorial how you can install FullText service. Now I click next. Next again. You can review your configuration. That was easy and installed. And it takes a little time to install FullText search service. I pause the video until the end of installation. Now, as you see, FullText and semantic extraction for search is installed. FullText search service is installed. And you can see your install successful. Now I click close here and close this window too. Now I open my SQL Server again, restart service. Yes, I restarted my SQL Server service. Now I run this select command again. Now you can see FullText search services installed for me. Have a nice time. In next video I want to show you how you can use this FullText search service and do many amazing things. Don't lose my next video. Have a nice time. Bye bye.